Custom-built split master plan ranch on flat acre lot. Screen porch, deck, storage shed and workshop area. Beautiful site sanded hardwoods including stairs. Kitchen west large island open to family room. Stainless appliances, gas range, pendant lighting and breakfast area west screen porch access. Huge first floor master western closet, garden tub, walk-in shower and separate water closet. First floor laundry west/pantry. Hardwoods on second floor west/bath and custom-built Murphy beds make a flex great space for entertaining.